Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download a driver HP NV x360. So use any browsers to search in Google search box as it is. Okay, and then go to first link which support HP in driver model. Okay, and right click to new tab. Go to this tab and wait few seconds refreshing. So if you use different OS, no, only Windows 10 for 64. This is BIOS, audio, chipset, monitor, graphic card, keyboard, mouse, network. So use only download only audio. This. Okay. So first audio. So guys, click to download. Okay, and I show you how to install almost all the drivers installations process same. So this is chipset, so first one. Okay, and then driver display, this graphic, click to download, and this is also graphic card driver, click to download it. Keyboard, mouse, this is touchpad driver, AI camera driver, this is also camera. So guys, use this one and this. Okay, then network driver, so wireless, this is Wi-Fi driver. Okay, and this is your. Okay, and enough. So I install the LAN driver and then click to download it. Wait few seconds, it will start automatically downloading. So this is downloading, and if you go to back, so guys, click to download if you install more and all. Like install this and open this, then click to yes, all the driver installations process same. Click to next, accept, then next. Okay, then done. Okay, so install one by one, and then if you're facing some issues, so please comment me, I will reply you shortly. Thank you.